Ano ba ang best course in college? Answer, BS in Entrepreneurship. Yes, friends, maganda yan na course sa ating mga anak kasi may mga interesting subjects yan sa course na yan. For example, Principles of Management, Management Accounting, Production and Operation Management, Business Mathematics, Business Communications, Business Law, Financial Accounting, Cost Accounting, Taxation, and Marketing. So pagkatapos ng mga subjects na yan, ang anak po ninyo ay equipped with knowledge, skills to become a good entrepreneur or good business owner. Points to ponder, friends. Professor AMN or Professor Alan Noguera at your service. Two thumbs up.